I'm sure you've heard the news. Manual razors are making a comeback, but which type is right for you? Let's break it down. First up, the straight razor. Think of it as the granddaddy of all razors. It offers an incredibly close shave but requires skill and patience. Perfect for the shaving purist. Next, safety razors. These are split into several types: double-edged, single-edge, injector, cartridge and disposable. Double-edged razors have, you guessed it, two sharp edges on one blade. They're a classic choice for a reason. Cartridge razors? They're all about convenience. Multi-bladed cartridges aim to give smooth shaves with less effort. Just snap in a new cartridge and you're good to go. Before you shave, make sure to wet your skin and apply a good lather. Hydrated hair is way easier to cut. And remember, don't rush. A couple of passes are better than one to avoid cuts and irritation. So, ready to choose your weapon? Happy shaving? Hey there! Have you ever wondered why beards are more than just hair? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into the hairy history of beards. First off, let's talk about what a beard actually is. It's the hair that grows on the jaw, chin, upper lip, lower lip, cheeks and neck of humans, and even some non-human animals. Typically, males can start growing beards around the age of 21. But beards are far more than just a sign of maturity. Throughout history, beards have carried a ton of different meanings. In some eras, a full beard was the ultimate fashion statement. Think about the ancient Greeks and Romans. For them, beards symbolized wisdom and strength. Philosophers like Socrates and warriors like Leonidas wouldn't be caught dead without their mighty facial hair. On the flip side, there were times when beards were seen as a big no-no. During the reign of Peter the Great in Russia, men were even taxed for having beards. He wanted to modernize Russia, and to him that meant clean-shaven faces like those in Western Europe. Imagine paying extra just to keep your beard. Now let's not forget the religious angle. In many religions, a full beard is more than just hair. It's a sign of devotion. For instance, in Sikhism, keeping a beard is a way to honor the body as created by God. Similarly, in Islam, growing a beard is seen as following the example of the Prophet Muhammad. It's a sacred practice that transcends mere fashion. But beards aren't only about religion or fashion. They're also seen as a symbol of virility and high social status. Take the Vikings, for example. Their bushy beards were a sign of their rugged strength and manliness. Beards were believed to give them an edge in battle, making them appear more intimidating to their enemies. In contrast, there are cultures where beards are less common or even frowned upon. In certain periods of Chinese history, for instance, a clean-shaven face was considered proper and civilized. Beards could be associated with rebellion or poor hygiene. And let's not overlook the practical reasons for growing a beard. In colder climates, a beard can be a natural shield against the elements, protecting the face from harsh winds and freezing temperatures. And in sunny regions, beards can provide some much-needed protection from the sun's rays. So, next time you see a beard, remember, it's not just hair. It's a piece of history, a symbol of culture, religion and identity. Whether it's a statement of style, a mark of faith or a shield against the weather, beards have been and always will be more than just hair. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this hairy history lesson, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the past. Catch you in the